Hi kids! Welcome to another episode of Butter and Salt. I'm Krista McLemore, and Kevin's over there. Say hi.
Hi!
And today we're going to take you on a journey that happened last June, 2019. So, well before Miss Rona showed up, well before any stay-at-homes and when Las Vegas was alive and thriving. But this is our trip to Las Vegas last summer that we wanted to share with you. Now, these are things that you might be interested in doing when you are able to join the realities of openness again. Does that make sense, or is that too artsy-fartsy?
Sure.
I don't know. Once we can leave our houses again and you want to go on a vacation, here's some things that you can do in Las Vegas that don't include gambling or shows, because those are two things that everybody puts on their lists because everybody knows that those are two things you can do in Las Vegas. So here are a couple other things that we thought you might enjoy when you make your next trip to Las Vegas. You'll be able to find all the links to all the different things that we did that we're showing in the description box below. So if you want to check out some of these things while you're still at home, you can just click them.
Click on them.
Click on them! We're off! We're going to Vegas!
We're going to Vegas. We're on our way to Vegas.
We're on our way to Vegas. So we are taking a trip to Las Vegas for Diana's wedding. She's getting married on Sunday. And so we're making a little mini vacation out of it because why not?
We haven't been on in a while.
We haven't been on one in a while. So we're setting our sights on from Reno to Vegas, driving tonight after work. So it's gonna get dark, but we're gonna record some of the trip for you. And then the rest of the weekend. Hopefully we remember cameras.
Sounds good.
Yeah. All right, let's watch where we're going. A tour over at Zappos here in Las Vegas. This was like the one thing I wanted to do other than the wedding, and everything else is just kind of icing. We just finished our tour. It was a $10 tour for each, and they take you around and they tell you all about the different, like the culture things of Zappos. When I put on our tour that we were going to be in Las Vegas for Diana's upcoming wedding, which we're going to on Sunday, and it's going to be at the Taco Bell. I typed that in the little "Why are you here in Vegas?" question, and there was another group in our tour that was here for a Elvis wedding. And to kind of do something a little special for the two of us, they made Elvis's favorite sandwich, the peanut butter, bacon, and honey sandwich, and they made a picture of margaritas for us to celebrate the two weddings we were kind of here for. And so that was really cool, and it was a really fun personal touch. So if you guys are ever in Las Vegas and you have an opportunity to come and participate in this tour, I say highly recommended. I went to their gift shop. Even though right now the tours aren't available at Zappos, you can still have a virtual Q&A with them on their Everything But the Tour virtual sessions. There's still availability, and you can sign up through their website, which I will have a link in the description below. Okay, we'll continue with all the stuff and things that we're doing here in Las Vegas as we go along.
Here we are at the Fremont Street Experience, downtown, or Fremont Street District, downtown Las Vegas, Old Town. You can see behind me. We're heading for the zip line. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do while I was here. So we're heading for it right now.
Down Fremont Street, coming out of that thing.
That was my first time doing a zip line in downtown Las Vegas, old Las Vegas. That's fun, I would do that again.
Other things you can do, you can go shopping. There's plenty of shopping to do in and off and around the Strip. You can go to the promenade and ride the Ferris wheel. Of course, there's eating. You can always eat. We also visit the House of Blues. House of Blues always has concerts going on, so you can get up and dance while you eat and enjoy your evening. You can enjoy some adult beverages at several different places. I mean, that's almost on the list of everybody knows you can do in Las Vegas. Drinking. Another fun activity that actually doesn't cost you anything is just taking a drive down the Strip at night and seeing all the lights and the Bellagio fountains lit up and doing their show. You don't have to have a lot of money. This was basically our medium budget trip. We've done it even cheaper before, and you don't have to do things that are wildly expensive. But if you're one of the lucky few, you'll also get to attend a wedding at Taco Bell. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Butter and Salt. If you like more of these, give them a thumbs up. I really appreciate you stopping by. We will see you next Sunday. Bye.